Here we are.
Oh, it's coming out.
This is the problem we got. I started walking in here to talk to Christine. And as I was talking to Christine right here, I heard a noise coming from the light thing. The light switch thing. And there's something behind the light switch thing. We don't know what it is. Now, Christine is on a chair. Christine's on a chair. Some activity going on over here. What the? It's like it's got some sort of. It's.
You should tell me to kill it. Just hurry so we can kill it.
Oh my god! It's like some sort of nuclear.
Just set the camera down over there, because if I fall and bust my head,
Christine is
I want you to
very
make $1
upset.
million from it. Now get it over here. If that spider actually kills me, if that's what it is,
Alright, let me
then
put down the robe. Let me get a good look at it here. There we go.
oh my god. Let's just hurry and kill this thing. Where's that hammer?
Let me put it over here some more. Let me get the action on here.
Oh, hurry. I can't go to sleep with that in this house tonight.
I agree. I gotta have something underneath this thing now.
Oh, it's good.
This ought to do it. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Gotta keep my balance.
Alright. You got a spray thing?
Yeah.
Oh, let me have it. Let me have this.
Oh, it's not loose. It's still got one screw hole
I want that. Fine.
in it.
Where's it coming out?
I was just scared because I'm not seeing anything. I'm just scared.
Baby? Don't puke. Baby, don't puke. Baby.
I'm sorry.
Quit puking. Baby, just go in the other room.
No.
You're gonna make me puke. Look at the camera, see if we can get a good shot.
Let me put shoes on
No,
because I need to stand.
you're gonna puke. Oh, that's good. The camera's a good shot. Baby, don't spray me. Alright, you ready? Alright, let's go. Come on, buddy.
Oh. Oh.
I got it.
Okay, I'm gonna move.
I'm gonna show Mr. Franks this. Alright guys, this is what was making the noise.
It was digging. Look what the hole it dug.
I know, I dug a big old hole. I'm gonna get a little closer to it.
Yeah,
Question.
let's put something next to it so you can actually see the size of it.
Get a quarter?
How about a dime?
Dime, whatever.
There's one right here.
Don't puke, baby. This is great entertainment.
Oh my god. That thing's freaking huge.
Imagine having that crawl around on your face while you're sleeping at night. I want to know if there's any more. Let's look back there. Probably a nest. Watch them all swarm out of
Oh
there.
god, oh god. Where's that spray? Where's the spray?
I don't know.
Excuse me while I throw up.
Alright. Hey, baby. Baby. You okay? Oh, poor baby. Where is the light?